Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kai and today I'm gonna color grade with DaVinci Resolve and get my footage from this to this in 2 minutes. Let's go. So we are now in DaVinci Resolve and this image is shot on D-Log with the DJI Mavic Pro 2. And the first thing I do is I go to colors and go to curves and give it a quick S curve. And I also like to go to the end of the shadow and pull it up just a bit so the shadow kind of fade off a bit and the midtone a little bit darker. And next up I go to color wheels and give it a color boost. Go to 50 and midtone detail I like to go to 70 so it look a bit sharper. And since the image look a bit colder, I like to raise the temperature a bit and make it look a bit warmer. The thing with color boost is that the saturation is not that intense as the usual saturation, so I usually prefer to use color boost. And now I tend to make the gamma look a bit darker, which is the midtone, and then the highlight, which is the gain, like basically just add some contrast to the image. Okay, so we have a little bit more contrast here now. And now we'll go to hue versus hue and make the color blue a touch more teal. Like I just add a bit of more teal to the ocean. And maybe as you see the green and the yellow on the mountain, I'll make it a bit less green and less yellow as it is. Next up, if you want a bit more moody look to the image, you can add like a warmer tone to the midtone and a colder look to the shadow, and it can create like a color contrast. Usually they refer it as a split toning, so add a bit more mood to the image. And I kind of feel like the blue from the ocean is not colorful enough, so I'll add a little bit of more saturation to the color blue. And there you go, this is the before and after. So that's it with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time.